So this is a pretty trivial example of unit conversion within the metric system. As you see in the problem description, we're asked to convert 0.072 microfarads. I've used the letter U, I should say, instead of a mu, as it wasn't available to me in my screencasting software. And we want to convert that to nanofarads. Recall from our course material in this chapter that farads is the SI unit of capacitance. So in order to do that, again, this is probably pretty trivial to you, and you have your own algorithmic ways of doing it, which just rely upon decimal shifts, but we'll go through the entire process just to emphasize the underlying mechanism. If we take what we're given, which is 0.072, and we express the metric prefix mu as its equivalent order of magnitude, recall that that's 10 to the negative 6 farads. If we wish to convert that to nanofarads, recall that the prefix nano corresponds to an order of magnitude of 10 to the negative 9th. Therefore, if I look specifically at the order of magnitude which I was given, 10 to the negative 6, by the product rule of exponentials, I can clearly make that into 10 to the negative 9th if I simply multiply by an additional negative 3 orders of magnitude. Of course, doing that in isolation would be invalid. It would change the underlying quantity which I was given. Therefore, if I multiply the order of magnitude by 10 to the negative 3, I need to multiply the coefficient by 10 to the positive 3. And that's valid, of course, because the two factors which I've added, 10 to the negative 3 and 10 to the positive 3, multiply together by the product rule to simply give 1. In terms of my order of magnitude, 10 to the negative 6 times 10 to the negative 3rd, of course, gives me 10 to the negative 9th. And in the coefficient, multiplying by 3 orders of magnitude simply shifts this 3 units right. And I'm left with 72 times 10 to the negative 9th farads, which by definition is 72 nanofarads.